Hi, Rosie. How are you today?
Hi, Tim. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too. What did you do this morning?
I had breakfast with my family. We talked and laughed together. It was a nice morning.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate bread, eggs, and some fruit. I also drank a cup of milk. It gave me good energy for school.
Who makes breakfast in your house?
My mom usually makes breakfast. Sometimes I help her in the kitchen. It's fun to cook together.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I always eat breakfast. It helps me feel strong and ready to study. I never skip it.
What time do you go to school in the afternoon?
I go to school at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I get ready early and leave home on time. I don't like to be late.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bike. It's not far from my house. Riding a bike is good exercise, too. Who do you sit with at school? I sit with my best friend, Lisa. We study and share ideas together. She is very kind and smart. What subjects do you like in school? I like English and science. They are very interesting and useful. I always try to learn new things.
What do you do after school?
After school, I go home and have a snack. Then I take a short rest. Later, I do my homework.
What snacks do you like to eat?
I like fruits like mango and banana. Sometimes I eat biscuits, too. I try to eat healthy snacks.
Do you help your family in the evening?
Yes, I help my mom cook dinner. I also help clean the table. My parents are happy when I help them.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. My parents, my 2 brothers, and me. We all live together.
Do you have a big family?
Not really big, but we are very close. We always support each other. We spend time together every day.
What do you do with your family on weekends?
We often go to the park or visit our grandparents. Sometimes we watch movies at home. We enjoy our weekend together.
Do you like to go out with your friends?
Yes, I love going out with them. We usually go to the park or eat ice cream. We talk and have fun.
How many friends do you have?
I have many friends, but only a few close ones. I spend most of my time with them. They are very nice people.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Lisa. She always listens to me and makes me laugh. We share everything together.
What do you and your friends do after school?
Sometimes we play badminton together. Sometimes we do homework at the library. It's always a good time.
Do you like playing sports?
Yes, I really like sports. My favorite sport is badminton. It keeps me strong and happy.
How often do you play badminton?
I play it 3 times a week. I play with my brother or my friends. It's a great way to relax.
Do you like watching sports on TV?
Yes, I like watching football and tennis. My dad and I watch them on weekends. We cheer for our favorite teams.
Do you play football too?
No, I don't play football often. Sometimes I just watch my brother play. It's exciting to see the game.
What food do you like the most?
I love rice with chicken and vegetables. It's delicious and healthy. My mom cooks it very well.
Do you eat fruits every day?
Yes, I eat fruits every day. My favorite fruits are mango and apple. They are sweet and good for my health.
What do you drink after lunch?
I usually drink water or juice. Sometimes I drink coconut water. It's fresh and tasty.
Do you like fast food?
I like it, but I don't eat it often. My parents tell me to eat healthy food. I prefer home-cooked meals.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat rice, soup, and fish for dinner. Sometimes we have vegetables too. It's always a nice family meal.
What time do you have dinner?
We usually eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Everyone sits together at the table. We talk about our day.
Do you watch TV after dinner?
Yes, sometimes I watch cartoons or news, but I don't watch for too long. I like reading before bed, too.
Do you read books at night?
Yes, I read storybooks before sleeping. It helps me relax.
I love reading about adventure stories.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9:30. I brush my teeth and wash my face first. Then I sleep well.
Do you sleep early every night?
Yes, I try to sleep early every day. It helps me wake up fresh. Sleeping well is very important.
What do you do in the afternoon on weekends?
Sometimes I play games or help my mom. Sometimes we go shopping together. It depends on the day.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping for clothes and books. I enjoy walking around with my family. We always have fun.
What kind of clothes do you like?
I like comfortable and simple clothes. I like bright colors too. I like wearing dresses in summer.
Do you cook sometimes?
Yes, I cook simple food like noodles and eggs. My mom teaches me new recipes. I like learning to cook.
What do you like to eat when you go out?
I like to eat noodles or fried rice. Sometimes I eat ice cream after that. Eating out is a nice treat.
Where do you usually go with your family?
We often go to the park or the shopping mall. Sometimes we visit relatives. It's always fun to go together.
Do you go to the beach sometimes?
Yes, we go to the beach once a year. I love the sea and the sand. It's my favorite place to relax.
Do you take pictures when you go out?
Yes, I take many pictures with my phone. I like keeping good memories. Later, I look at them and smile.
Do you like rainy days?
I like them when I stay at home. I read books or listen to music, but I don't like going out when it rains.
What do you do on sunny days?
I go outside and play. Sometimes I ride my bike. Sunny days make me feel happy.
Do you have pets at home?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She is very cute and playful.
Do you take care of your cat?
Yes, I feed her and play with her every day. I also clean her space. She is like my best friend.
What games do you play with your friends?
We play badminton, skipping rope, and some mobile games. We always have a lot of fun. We laugh a lot together.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music. I listen to songs after school. It helps me relax.
What kind of songs do you like?
I like pop and soft songs. They make me feel calm. Sometimes I sing along, too.
Do you play any instruments?
No, but I want to learn guitar. My brother plays it very well. Maybe he will teach me someday.
What do you do on holidays?
I travel with my family or visit relatives. Sometimes we stay home and rest. Holidays make me very happy.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling. I like seeing new places and people. I always take many photos.
What is your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place is the beach. I love swimming and collecting shells. It's peaceful and beautiful.
Do you eat snacks when you travel?
Yes, I bring biscuits and fruits. Sometimes I eat chips too. Snacks make the trip more fun.
Do you watch movies with your friends?
Yes, sometimes we go to the cinema. We watch funny or adventure movies. Then we talk about them later.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy and animation movies. They make me laugh and feel happy. I don't like scary movies much.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I like drawing in my free time. I draw flowers, animals, and people. It helps me relax.
What do you do when you feel tired?
I take a short nap or listen to music. Sometimes I walk outside. It helps me feel better.
Do you study at night?
Yes, I study for a little while after dinner. I review what I learned in class. Then I go to bed.
Do you help your brother with homework?
Yes, sometimes I help him with math. He is younger than me. I like helping him learn.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I eat breakfast.
What do you do on Sunday afternoons?
I usually play with my friends or visit my grandparents. Sometimes I just rest at home. Sundays are peaceful.
Do you like weekends?
Yes, I love weekends. I can relax and spend time with my family. It's my favorite time of the week.
What do you do before going to bed?
I read a book and pray. Then I brush my teeth. After that, I go to sleep happily.
That's a lovely routine, Rosie. You seem very organized.
Thank you, Tim. I try to use my time well every day. It helps me stay happy and healthy.
I really enjoyed talking with you today.
Me too, Tim. It was a nice chat about our daily lives. See you again soon.
Goodbye, Rosie.
Goodbye, Tim. Have a great day.